gravel road.
Yeah. Let there be light.
What is that?
I don't know, let's play back the camera.
If we can't get it, we can turn the volume up on it though.
These people, don't they know Glenstone's where it's happening?
What do we got coming up?
I was waiting for him to come in and grab my cup. The dude walking.
Want to race? Want to go? No. He's one of them.
What's behind you?
Something that will run, but he wouldn't do it. I already did a little bit of.
Just don't take out one of these light poles.
Welcome to the north side.
Maybe you could do the light poles. Don't do them. A wooden pole. Put some lights on your bike. Now I can't reach you. Where's the slow car?
The girl's in the car.
There's that.
Girl's in the car.
Oh, there's.
Oh, howdy. Are we sure? That's where it's happening?
You got a car turning.
Got a car turning. Over now.
Maybe, oh, they changed their mind.
These accident guys. I let off for a second because I thought that was a cop.
Up on the north side.
Yeah. That's what I'll tell them. Hey, welcome to the north side. This shit happened.
I'll check with this other guy. They don't know what we're talking about. You gonna hit it? They're gonna stop. I haven't seen no guy with red what? Red what? Red it?
Hello. Mine was better than that.
Are they saying ribbit? Ribbit! Are there frogs in that car? What? On the hood?
Oh yeah, I forgot. You're this.